In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce to HubSpot and sync your customer and order data. We'll go through the full setup from start to finish inside WordPress and HubSpot, so you can make sure your store data is flowing correctly between both platforms. This is especially useful if you want better customer tracking, stronger marketing automation, and clearer visibility into orders and abandoned carts. To begin, create a HubSpot account if you don't already have one, or simply sign into your existing account. Make sure you can access the main dashboard before moving on, because you'll need to connect it to your WordPress site in just a moment. Next, open your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the Plugins section and then select Add New. This is where you'll search for the integration tool that connects WooCommerce with HubSpot. In the plugin search bar, look for a HubSpot and WooCommerce integration plugin. When you find the one you want to use, install it and then activate it. After activation, the plugin will usually add a new settings area in your WordPress dashboard where the connection process can begin. Now connect the plugin to your HubSpot account. In most cases, this involves clicking a connect button, signing into HubSpot if needed, and authorizing the integration. Take a moment here to confirm you're linking the correct HubSpot account, especially if you manage more than one. Once connected, choose the WooCommerce customer and order information you want to synchronize. Depending on the plugin, you may be able to select multiple data types, so review those options carefully and enable only what fits your workflow. After that, map your WooCommerce fields to the correct HubSpot contact properties. This step is important because it tells the system exactly where each piece of store data should appear in HubSpot. Double-check fields like customer name, email, order value, and any other relevant details to avoid mismatches later. Then enable synchronization for customers, abandoned carts, orders, and products whenever those options are available. Turning these on helps ensure your HubSpot account receives the most useful e-commerce activity from your store. With the settings in place, run the initial synchronization. This first sync may take a little time depending on how much store data you already have, so give it a few moments to complete. Finally, place a test WooCommerce order and then check HubSpot to confirm that the customer and order information appear correctly. If everything looks accurate, your integration is working properly, and your WooCommerce store is now successfully connected to HubSpot.